Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio for investor SMS and appointment reminders step by step clearly. To activate Twilio for investor SMS and appointment reminders, begin by creating a Twilio account. Navigate to the Twilio website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details to create an account and verify your email address. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Twilio console. Locate the Get a Number button to acquire a phone number for sending SMS. Select your country and choose a phone number that meets your needs. Click Buy to purchase the selected number. Next, head to the messaging section in the Twilio console. Here, you will find the option to set up SMS capabilities. Follow the provided instructions to configure your SMS settings. Now, navigate to the dashboard and obtain your account SID and auth token. These credentials are essential for integrating Twilio with your application. In your application, install the Twilio SDK using your package manager. For example, use NPM or pip based on your programming language preference. Once the SDK is installed, create a script to send SMS messages. In your script, use the account's ID, auth token, and purchased phone number to set up your Twilio client. Write the function to send an SMS, specifying the recipient's number, message body, and sender's number. Test the function to ensure it sends SMS messages correctly. After confirming SMS functionality, implement appointment reminder logic in your application. Schedule reminders by determining when to send SMS notifications. These reminders can be based on your appointment scheduling system. Write a function to handle reminders and trigger the SMS send process. Finally, conduct a thorough testing phase to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor your Twilio account for any delivery and error reports. With that, your Twilio setup for investor SMS and appointment reminders is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.